Welcome to another daily live stream. It's November 6th, 2025, live stream number 26. I believe I put that on there correctly. I gotta stop doing this. Oh, it should be number 26. Yeah, number 26. So, yeah, it looked like, I was about to say, as I was preparing here, it was, up at 44, like right here. Like 15 minutes ago, we was worked all the way down up to 50. So, I mean, the daily looks good. I can't complain with that. Kind of like you can kind of say it's almost looking like how this area was here after we got the power candle here on the turnaround, all of this this wedgie here. But this is the 12-hour when we're looking at the daily here. So power, strong wick below the green line, and then between the gold and green line, and this is between the gold and green line, and this was kind of like indecisive before the continuation, so kind of like it want to play out exactly like that again. But man, this closed above 42 million. That's gonna be great there. So 12-hour not looking too shabby. Yeah, it's kind of the what we wanted to see on this daily here. We kept saying how important this daily was going to be when we were here. We said this is going to be very, very, very important. It's either going to send us down up there or send us up here, which we close a little higher than up there. So, and this candle has already wicked above the blue line just like that one did. And yeah, so that looks good there. So, and then I'm just gonna pull up Bitcoin really quickly here too. We got a red day going on. You got a lot of red going on in the market. If you can see, I don't know if on your screen if you can see the left over there, but yeah, you even got the body below the gold. I mean, it can wick all the way down to 88 at some point this month if it wanted to, honestly. But once again, I'm going to keep going back to the 3-month candles on Bitcoin, which, once again, 2 green, red, 2 green, red, 2 green, red, 2 green, red. So I'm not expecting any crazy movement to the upside on Bitcoin until Q1 of next year. But I strongly think Clash is one of the best pickups to pick up right now to continue on. Because, once again, we've been in some strange market conditions, and Clash has been doing just fine. We can't go all the way back like we can here on Pump Farm, but it's been doing pretty darn well. So why not pick up something strong, something good? I keep having to go here so I can see if there's anything going on there, but this looks good. I mean, yeah, on the daily chart, that looks good there. Let me grab my phone. So yeah, I'll be watching the next candle to see if we're gonna get it kind of seemed like it got this little situation going on over here, if I must say. So that's what I'm thinking. Definitely like we out of this wedgie now. So as you can see on Pump Farm, I do all my charting on MEXC now for Clash, but on Pump Farm when we got that wedgie, this is the 12-hour here, but I'm gonna bring this up on the daily too. See, so just to relate this daily to MEXC daily, you had the power, kind of indecisive, and then continuation. Look like we getting the same thing here. Oh, I mean, I could have just showed it here. Oh, I went here because of the wedgie. That's why. I just don't have the wedgie set up on the 24-hour on Pump Farm. But yeah, it looked like we're out of this wedgie for sure. So, in the goal line, we're sitting above that as well. So, that looks great to me. This thing curl up and keep going. I mean, it kind of looked like this scenario here, you know. So, held that blue line out the wedgie. We need to get a candle above that red line there, and yeah, continue to send it. That was a crazy little candle. This 15-minute candle, that was a crazy candle right there. So a couple of those there. Wait, this one wicked all the way up. Let's see. 49.90. 49.90. That's the same price. And hearing George talked about how everybody having like those orders in place. It's like somebody has an order placed literally at 4990. 4990. That's oddly strange there. So got 4 12-hour green candles in a row. If this finishes green, that looks good. The 4-hour, man, still think we're about to send it. Still think we're gonna send it, guys. So I'm gonna be keeping my eyes on this daily. I do not have a stream tomorrow during the daytime. I don't think I've done a charts after dark at all this week. Besides, I think I did one Sunday night. Probably I'll do one tomorrow, about an hour after the tournament. Just vibe out and hang out since it's a Friday night. So I plan on doing that. Tonight is up in the air just like any night. But that's what I'll watch for, man. I'm not gonna keep it too long here. I wanna get to the gym for a little bit. So yeah, watch the daily. Let's see what happens there. And then I mean, for Bitcoin, man, I don't know in the short term. I don't know. Look at the bigger picture. We could play around 899,000 to 126 all month. So, well, Clashy is above the wedgie in the daily, man. That's what I wanted to see, and I'm not gonna complain with it. I mean, kind of indecisive on the second. We kind of had the same thing on the second on October 20th when we had that powerful candle on October 19th, and then we had kind of like indecisive, and they just kept going. So let's see if that happens. You know, so you guys got 4 hours until this close, and I'm banking on the next one. You know, shooting up to this blue line. So, and that'll push us to 50 plus. So I'll be on standby watching for that. You know, today could be like Clash making a little move right now. Could be a good day to pick up some Clash at under 45 million. Because once you start to get these body candles in this range and above, man, it's like you guys were saying in Discord, we're gonna look back and be like, dang, we could have been buying more Clash at 40 million, 45, 50 million market cap. So those times are soon to come to an end, and we'll be playing around in 100 millions for quite some time. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm thinking. Just wanted to get out there and share it. I've only been live for 8 minutes, but like I said, I was gonna keep it short today, and just wanted to put something out there. You know, and whatnot. But thank you guys for coming in. For anybody that's watching this live or watching on the replay, keep your eyes on the daily on Clash. If you don't know where to pick up Clash, I've showed the website a few times. GeorgePlaysClashRoyale.com. His YouTube channel, he actually switched it from I Am George to George Plays Clash as well. Now check out this channel and follow this channel here. So tournament is tomorrow. All right. And anybody can play, anybody can win. You don't have to get in the top 10 to win. As you can see, he's gonna have more ways to win outside the top 10, spectator giveaways. So just being there and just being a part of the whole, community, you could always get rewarded as well. And so Solana, all right, pick up some Clash on Phantom and Jupiter and Mexi and so many other places. So that's that, folks, and I'm gonna leave it there. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping in. Watch the daily. See you in Discord.